Hi there, Michael Eskin here. I wanted to give you a hands-on demo showing you what a huge productivity increase having the ability to disable the notation rendering can be when you are exporting multiple tune books for different instruments. So I'm going to go through the process the way it's been for a large tune book, in this case the King Street Sessions tune book, which is over 1,000 tunes, and then I'll show you the difference when you have the rendering disabled. So we'll go ahead and open up the King Street Sessions tune book. It's about 1,000 tunes. And the first thing it's going to do after it reads it is it's going to try to render all of them so we get the spinner. And this takes about a minute on my Mac Studio. You can fast forward through this part if you want. And again, this is a really big tune book. I mean, this is over 1,000 tunes. This is not a common use case. This rendering disable feature really is for those people who are working with really, really large tune books and want to be able to create text incipits really quickly. Okay, so the tunes are loaded. And now we can go to Export PDF and select the ABC text incipits and export it. And you see the export itself is really fast because it's just generating text. It's not doing anything with the graphics at all. So there you go. And then we have the incipits, and we can click on these and they will play. Now, let's do the same thing from scratch, but disabling the rendering. So I'm going to go into Settings, Advanced Settings, Disable abcjs notation rendering. Okay. Now let's open the file again. It's read in the file. It's done. Now we can do export. It's done. So now we have the incipits file. Let's say we want to do the mandolin version. Just click mandolin, export PDF, same thing. It doesn't need the rendered notation to do the different instruments because all that does is to put a different instrument name in the share link. So now when we click on these, we'll get the mandolin version. Let's say we want the whistle version. Just click whistle, export. And now we have whistle versions of the tunes. Now, if you're using the injectors that actually change the ABC, like the accordion and concertina tablature injectors, what you want to do is grab a snapshot first, because those actually will change the ABC. Then we go into more tools. We'll say, let's say inject BC box tab. It's done. Export. Now we click on these, we'll get the box versions. Come back here. Now if you look, you can see this has actually changed the ABC, but we can hit restore. Now we get our original ABC back. Now let's say we wanted to do the concertina version. It's done with the injection. Export. And you see we have the concertina tablature version. This is a huge productivity increase for me. This sort of thing used to take me literally hours to export tune books for each of the different instruments. Now I can do the whole set of them in under 5 minutes. Again, you can only use this for speeding up the text incipit export or the full text ABC export. You can't do this for the notation PDF exports, because those you actually do need to render the ABC. So I wanted to share my excitement about this with you because I think this is a fantastic new addition to the tool.